A lot of YouTubers are making money from faceless channels. A lot of YouTubers are making money from AI content. Now, do you want to go into AI content creations and you don't even know where to start from, or which or what to actually know to kickstart your content creation journey with AI? Now, in case it's the first time you're seeing my YouTube channel, do well to subscribe. I actually make video on editing on YouTube, on Facebook, and also on TikTok, which means my channel is just a good channel for you. Now, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 things you need to actually know or have ideas about before you even go into faceless channels or AI content creation. Now, if you want to be a YouTuber and what kind of content you want to be creating is AI, the first thing you must have at the back of your mind is that what kind of AI content creation are people looking for? The moment you know what they are looking for, this will enable you to know how to go about it. But generally, even if you want to go into AI content creation, there are 3 things you must pay attention to. Number 1 is prompting. Now, I understand the AI content is very easy, everybody can do it. But when it comes to prompting is a way whereby you give the AI engine what to give you back. For example, you write what you want them to give you back. Just like you are thinking of, okay, this is what I want, this is what I want. You should be able to give them what you want them to give you. If you don't know how to prompt, meaning if you don't know how to write, if you don't know how to properly put it this way, put it that way, it will be difficult for you to be able to get the desired result you want. So, which means if you want to go into AI content creation, this is about knowing how to prompt. So, these AI content creators, you must know how to read and write. As like you must know how to read and you must know how to write. Meaning you should be able to prompt, you should be able to write, you should be able to give the engine or the AI what you want. Okay, that's number 1, meaning be able to prompt. Number 2 is that you are to have the idea of the app you want to use. For example, you know how to read and write. You already have your imaginations of what you want to create. Now, where do you want to create it from? We have different kind of AI tools, but which one do you want to use and how much is their subscription? So these are number 2 things you must consider or you need to know about. So you don't just wake up overnight and say you want to start creating content. Okay, yes, you know how to read and write. Then where do you want to write it? Where do you want to prompt it? So go ahead, look for an AI tool that will help you, or user friendly. Let me use the word user friendly, because if it is not user friendly, it also becomes difficult. Okay, so there are a lot of AI tools. I would recommend Grok, because Grok is user friendly, or Meta AI. In short, you can use YouTube AI to actually create or generate your AI videos. Okay, now number 3 things you now need to have the idea, because aside from prompting, like you know how to prompt now, then you now know how to use the AI tool. Another thing is how to do your transitioning, as like you must also learn a little of editing. Number 3 things is what? Editing. Editing is very, very important. You have to do your transitioning. You have to join all your scenes together. You have to do 1 or 2 things, especially when it comes to even color grading, because there are some AI tools, due to your subscriptions, they cannot give you the resolutions you want. Some gives at 430, 420, some give at 720, some give at 1080 FPS or resolution, and the rest. So you need to learn editing, especially maybe as you do it, you also want to make sure that your video have auto captions, meaning what you are saying should be displayed, or what your characters are saying should be displayed on the screen. Though you can use AI to also do that, but I would advise you learn editing. You can learn CapCut or InShot or Edit. These are editing tools that can actually help you, or you learn Canva. Okay, you must as well understand that this editing is what will beautify or give you a better results when it comes to this thing. And again, let me just add number 4 to you. because I want to be taking this series by series. But let me add number 4 for you is that your audio also matters. Some of you, your voice over is a problem, so you need to learn your proper voicing over. It will go a long way for you. Okay, so in case it's the first time you're seeing my YouTube channel, please do well to go watch other amazing YouTube videos that I have created when it comes to if you want to be on YouTube, you want to be on Facebook, you want to be on TikTok, you want to learn editing, I actually have all of them here. And again, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. All right, thank you.